tayo sa napakagandang podcast for today. Ang ating topic, bakit ka nag-transition? Nabong talakayan ang nangyayari ngayon dito sa Apoteca. In English, the discussions here in Apoteca is ravishing.
Yes, hello, welcome back to me and to another Buchanan Backstage Access. This is episode 4 of the... Episode 4 of the Station Royale viewing parties. Right now, we are here setting up for the meet and greet. Ano lang ako today, comfy drag lang tayo today. Kasi hindi naman ako kasali talaga sa meet and greet, but I will be hosting the meet and greeters. We usually do this an hour before the show starts. We let them take photos, you know, greet the queens, give them their gifts. Tapos, wrap all that up and then start the show after, siguro like a short break after that. So, let's get into it. Yeah.
Eyes on a prize, do it extra nice. Now we got the power, serve it up with extra rice. Eyes on a prize, do it extra nice. Now we got the power, serve it up with extra rice. First letter of the alphabet, let me hear you say A. Taste the umami, jump, jump, A, A. Work it on the runway, let me hear you say A. Shoot A, do it extra nice.
Bakit may pa-flowers ka?
Gusto mo ba? Miss Arizona! Oh my God, Miss Arizona!
Para saan to?
Wala lang.
Para dyan?
Para ano? Para iba yung mga amoy namin, hindi ikaw. Ala.
I love that.
Sumpag kita.
Subo. Or subo mo to. Yan!
Your makeup is so
Thank you. Thank you.
Aw, thank you rin.
Perfect. Tingin ang take mo. Is that your number? Is that your
It's Isabella.
Oh. But at least you have Gcash.
Walang taka.
Correct.
Tumahan, pwede na, no? Pwede na. Para ayun ulit yung ano.
Wireless.
Nandito na naman tayo sa napakagandang podcast for today. Ang ating topic, bakit ka nag-transition?
No, sell it to us because a lot of my friends who like you are always saying like just go transition, just get boobs, you know, like sell it to us. Like we're a consumer, we want to be sold. What?
Because you don't need that. That's bad.
Okay. What else?
That's it.
That's it?
Yes, that's it.
Okay.
Just no pads, that's it? You're not saying like, oh, you get more hot guys or whatever, like nothing? One reason, so that I don't have to wear pads. For me to get breasts.
Pa-time lang.
My friend said like your skin is better. Like your skin is better, right? Like when you transition, your skin. Is that a no?
Not totally for the morphing.
No? Okay.
If you need a good skin, you take collagen, placenta.
Or cream silk.
On your skin! Yes! Or cream silk.
Right, so hello po sa inyong lahat. I am Bounce Rufo. I am half of Beckett and Men. Welcome to the show. Well, wala pa kayo mga sarili nyo. At nakalabas kayo ng trabaho ngayon. Nauto nyo ang mga boss nyo. Na kunyari meron kayong medical emergency. No? So, sa tingin nyo, sino ang mananalo tonight? Sa tingin nyo, sino ang uuwi tonight? Okay. Pero for now, handa na ba tayong simulan ang ating kabaklaan tonight? Of course, because the theme is a musical, a number of the song numbers that you will be seeing tonight are, show tunes. So, sisimulan po ito ng aking podcasting partner at ang aking viewing party watch. Please welcome from Drag Race Philippines Season 3, the one and only Mix Chanel. giving us a number from the hit Broadway musical, Ete Kabisote. Yes, okay. So palakpakan niyo naman si Miss Chanel. Alright.
Thank you so much for coming tonight. Who's excited for Drag Race Philippines Nation Royale Episode 4?
So, ang ating sunod na performance, so may dalang royalty friend si Arizona. Kaya I just say, nung premiere natin sa Teatrino, they had a whole 15-minute
Girl.
na sobrang ganda.
Girl, showstoppers of the night.
Correct, as in complete with jokes and acts and song numbers. So we just want more of it. So, part ng royalties, please welcome Midnight! naman natin. Hello, welcome to Blank and a Man.
Hello po, thank you so much po.
Char! So anong pangalan ng kambal mo sa likod?
Kung may midnight siya si Sunlight. Okay! Hindi, ang pangalan niya, siya yung siya si Fico Fetal.
Shoutout po natin si Fico Vital dyan sa ating audience.
Alright, so thank you again for gracing our show. Di ba pasama ka kaya di akala nyo puro lang comedy. Kaya nila ang high drag, horror,
Thank you so much.
If anyone could relate to that song, just go, napaka-deep cut ng Creek. And of course, you can always catch the royalties every Thursday at Hosting on TikTok na. Sa mga fans sa royalties dyan, sigaw! A Super Bowl that you've never seen before, please welcome the amazing Shalita! Palakpakan, the amazing Shalita!
Diba? Serving you sex bomb realness na may halong intrams, okay?
The sex bomb and Viva Hot Babe Super Bowl you did not know you needed, but now you are seeing.
Diba? Nakakatuwa. Diba? Ang saya pala magbayad ng 1.5 for parlor games. Yes. Palakpakan natin ang amazing Shalita, everyone!
Amazing Shalita, pakilala yourself and saan ka nila pwedeng sundan.
So ikaw, ano hanapin sa Radima? Welcome to Pote ka na bilo sa tanahap. Pasamhe, Bekeneme. May bilo sa tanahap ni debut ni Channing na bilo sa tanahap. Balang pakan. Siya. Hi, Siya. Kapanakan. Bigay! 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 Bigay niyo sa akin yung tibakin na.
Alright, of applause for our amazing
Hello po! Thank you so much, Baos. Thank you so much, Mix now for
Oh my God, it's my debut. Ang saya ng Pekenemen! It's my first time. Kanina pa ako kinakabahan, pero...
Na-share mo naman ang ball.
Yes, na-shoot nila ang ball talaga naman, no? Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for this opportunity. Ayan. Thank you, Crimson. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Ay, marami pa pong performances ang ating mga Station Girls! Ayan, maraming salamat po. Maglalambing lang po. Yes, bigyan niyo po siya ng pera.
Ayan, nagulat ako sa intro ni Amazing Shalita. Tatlo palang Thai queens natin today.
Correct. Tatlo sila. Sino rin kayo mga nag-shoot ng bola kanina? Nasaan kayo?
Per shoot, ano po yung 5 hash?
How did that experience change your life? Kinakabahan ako, pupusa na lang. Oh, correct.
How about sa napasubo naman sa disappear, 1/2, 1/4?
I feel so honored.
Correct.
So honored, yes.
Please support niyo po lagi ang royalties din po pag may every Thursday. Nasa host po nagbabati po kami. And of course, ako po every Friday, Saturday, Sunday kung gusto niyo ako makita. Lagi po akong nasa Bar Zero, located at Greenville District, Mandaluyong City. Maraming salamat po! Thank you so much! She's booked, she's blessed, and she plays basketball.
Ano nga yung sinabi niyo tungkol sa Greenfield sa Mandaluyong?
Center ng kabaklaan.
Correct! So for sure, maraming mga bakla dito na taga Mandaluyong. So puntahan niyo po si Shalita sa Bar Zero.
Correct.
From one Thai queen to another.
Diba? Most recently, siya ay nasa Drag Race Thailand Season 3. And nandito siya. Ayun naman, no? Please welcome the one and only Godland! Palakpakan naman natin from Drag Race Thailand.
Alam niyo minsan, totoo talagang sexuality is not a choice. Kasi minsan parang gusto ko na maging tipo.
Yeah, so
I was gonna be a lesbian for you sometime. Yeah! Filipina! Fresh ka ba ba?
Wait, why did you say fresh ka mama? Do you know Minty
Where did you
Fresh?
learn that?
Where did you learn that?
I learned it somewhere.
Oh!
In Wow Presents Plus.
Very good.
Season 1.
Season 1, very good.
Yes!
I thought you knew her from somewhere else. Oh. Alright, but how has been your time in Manila so far?
Oh my god, this is my first time in Manila. The Philippines I've been craving and wanted to... Oh my god, they cut the mic. Oh my god. Are you homophobic? Yeah, this is my first time. Like, I'm very honored to be here and super excited.
She is ready with Tagalog and she is ready to schmooze it up with our
Yeah,
sponsor.
Crimsil. Everybody makes some love for Crimsil.
Alright,
Exactly.
Thank you so
TV siya, no?
TV siya, no? Yeah, so we're...
What does it mean?
You are great TV. You are a TV. Yes.
I am a TV, literally.
No, you are great TV.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us tonight.
She's an honorary Filipino. Backstage earlier, we were talking about how many Filipino words she's already learned. Because if you didn't know, actually, this is her first time in Manila being able to go around because they filmed their season.
in Manila. Nakakatuwa yung translation. Parang gusto ko mag-face off sila ni Arizona. Diba?
Parang ano nga eh, parang parehas sila na amat si Jason.
Correct, I love it. Pero hindi na forgot lang. Grabe, no? Gusto ko na gumagano'n, no? Tapos magpapakita naman.
When a girl is wearing this little, you give her more money.
Tell everyone where they can follow you.
Can I say something?
Yes, you can.
Pwede kita syupain. One more. Super kita.
Buti lang hindi niya sinabi yun na may crimson globe sa tabi niya. Diba?
I love the Thai queen.
I love
her with
her.
so much energy.
I love it. Ang dami niya alam na words.
And I think gusto talaga niya makatipid ng putahing Pinoy. Yes!
Correct. Palakpakan ulit natin to, ang plan, everyone.
Pag nakita niyo po mo siya maya-maya, kalabitin niyo na lang siya, sabihin niyo, bibigyan kita ng putahing Pinoy.
Okay, so now, are we ready to watch the episode? Lahat natin! Nandito na si Mother Bernie for another It's Bernie! Hey!
Ang gusto ko kay Bernie today, nung dumating siya ngayon sa backstage, mukha siyang galing simbahan. Ngayon naman, mukha siyang naglalakad-lakad sa poblasyon.
Galing kasi akong press con.
Ay, press con ka.
Plug mo, plug
Plug
mo.
mo yung movie mo.
Ayan guys, please watch. It's coming October. Sinimalaya, Warland. Nag-press kami kanina sa channel.
And then meron kang bagong single.
Oo nga,
May music
pala
siya.
akong single, yung Pitay. And follow niyo ako sa yung YouTube channel ko ngayon. And, di ba? Ano nangyayari dyan?
Sample niya ulit yung tita, yung minata mo the last night.
Ano to lang? D-I-D-A-Y, gandang morena day. D-I-D-A-Y, babae tunay.
Pasabog, palakpakan ni Bernie.
Patingin pa lang if you want to come tonight. Next up,
Sino ba ang tinakot niya tayo sa placement niya last week? Nakakaloka, pero andito po siya. Nagbabalik, the one and only Arizona Brandy.
akala ko si Lady Gaga.
Palakpakan ni Arizona Brandy.
Ayan. So, quick refresher, ano yung word na binigay sa atin ni Arizona last week?
Sabi niya, ang ano? Equilibrium ba or something? Prowess na lang. Prowess. So there are international girls sa dressing room, may mga Thai queens. What did you learn from their culture? Nothing. I learned to in their culture. I learned how to be respectful. Charot! Charot! Kunyari lang yun, para pag narinig niyo, parang, may naman. Hindi, wala akong natutunan. And then, lumabas na yung preview ng episode at nakita namin na may piniling lipstick si Kitty. Diba? So, in that moment, ano yung talagang inisip mo nung nalaman mo? Sinusunod na ba tayo ni Lord? Ala, dyan yung bag ko, gaga. Ano tanong? Pinakita sa preview na yung lipstick mo ang pinili ni Kitty. So, in that moment, gano'n nauga ka ba ng malali? Tama lang, like, carry lang, like, it's just like another Tuesday in the workroom. It's a Tuesday yan, di ba? Alright, so exciting kung anong mangyari. Palakpakan natin, Arizona. Palakpak ka na! Nakita sila sa'yo. Thank you, everyone. And then, of course, guest judge sa episode na to. Please welcome the one and only Pangina here. Palakpakan naman. She is wearing herself. Yes.
For the dress, she takes herself.
Hello, Pangina. Welcome to our show.
Ayun, what's up?
She is so fascinated and so excited about our cream silk sponsorship.
What is Queen Silk? Do tell me.
It's a conditioner.
What is cream silk?
Number one conditioner brand.
They would know what conditioners are.
Cream silk is a substance where if you apply it to your hair,
Okay.
your hair will go silky smooth. Yeah. So maybe like you need it. Possibly.
Wait for the roast, bitch. Wait. I have a lot of things to say. What do it. Does Queen Silk help you better at a design challenge? Also, seeing orange, you like to wear orange a lot. Do you really think that's your color?
Do
you really think that's your color?
Which color? There's a lot of colors here. The rainbow.
Char.
Oh,
Girl, 5, 6, 7, 8. Char! Oh, we're acting, guys.
Hindi, warla kayo eh.
Alright, so dito tayo. Meron tayong contestant, meron tayong judge. It's also the first international queen na ni Becky Nemet. So palakpakan natin. Alright, so are we ready to watch the musical? Alright, so the episode runs for an hour and 10 minutes. So get comfortable. Ihanda nyo na mga sarili nyo.
Moment. Such an attraction, Titi. Whose lipstick did you choose, Miss Meow Meow?
That was super difficult to me because I love you both. I choose Arizona. Wait! Ako binoto mo ah. Gusto mong laruin to. Ganito pa rin gusto mong laro. Wait lang. Dapat pala nagpatalo na lang ako. Because I really believe malagay, I'm closer than her.
Etos, check. Puro ka etos na naman mga bakla sa mga close. Ilang araw pa lang magkasama, close agad. Ang close.
And she's saying, lagot, sister pala ha, kung magkatapat na isang Pilipina at isang international. At ang nanalo ay Pilipina, sister namin kayo. Bes, wag ganyan. Don't make your choice. But that would be noted in the future. Don't act like this because when Yoko was eliminated, when something was eliminated, you didn't react like this. And we didn't react like, Kiana, you choose Yoko. Okay, but I will make sure next week will be fun. Thank you.
It's been a long day.
Kitty. It's okay. I think she should have thought of it first before picking my lipstick because matindi ako gumante. If somebody doesn't want me here, I'm gonna send them home. I respect your decision, but I hate it.
We are gathered here today to bless the union of Raquel and Alan. If anyone here knows of any reason why these two should not be joined in holy matrimony, let them speak now or forever hold their peace. I object. Ethan, Andre. 我反对这场婚礼。等待哪里？高秋，听嘞。 Master Jackie, why do you say no, no, no? Become queen, what's your secret? Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pride that I present to you My turn now. I have a toast. Cheers to the bride, to the bride, to the bride, to the bride, to the bride. And I brought a gift. She brought a gift. It's a surprise. Surprise, surprise, surprise.
Slay for us. Cutie space. My outfit is. Yung runway look is a tree devil. Si Ditay kilala niya lang ganyan, pero I have the two faces.
The devil wears nada. Langit, lupa, in furnace. In furnace.
Donna Brandy. For this runway, the other one, sometimes I feel like I'm touching myself. The other one's sad. At the end of the day, I'm still kind of smile. Face to face to face. The face count always declines. Oh. For this runway, I am your Japanese inspiration. We do have multi-face, and I am giving you all the expressions that I would do. The tie-high getup that is killing my feet, but it's giving you the amazing traditional look.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Pero
This runway is actually very important to me. As a child, I wanted to try painting, but we don't have a budget. And now, hindi ko lang siya tinry, pero gustuin ko pa siya on the biggest stage na pag-release ng drag queen.
it's the Misius multiverse. First of all, I just want to say that the Slaysian queens are slaying. And this is one of the best runway presentations I've ever seen in my judging career in Drag Race Philippines. Congratulations to all of you. My goodness, you are such a great drag artist. Congratulations, queens. This is your moment.
Bernie, your character in the Rusical for me fell flat. The character could have been more ditzy, more fun, and much bigger, and I felt like for me, it just did not go anywhere. And I know what kind of a performer you are. Like, in the drag world, you are a titan. That did not come through today, unfortunately for me. Like, when it comes to your look today as well, I felt like for me, the faces does not really resemble yours. And, you know, with the bodysuit and the stripper heels, I felt like I know that you're more capable than this. So, know that I love you, but I am an honest bitch. And I was Arizona Brandy.
This is fashion forward. I love it.
Your performance, 5, 6, 7, 8. You 8 from your eye contact, your movement, your wording, your conviction, every single thing I could not drop. It was near perfection when it came to your performance. Like, I was so floored, I was so entertained, I was laughing the whole time. And you're scary as a drag queen, girl.
Thank you, Arizona Brandy. Next up, Six on your made some decisions. Brigidine. Arizona Brand. Congratulations, you are the top two stations of the week. That means Bernie and Kitty Space, you are the bottom two queens of the week. Brigidine, Arizona Brandy, each of you needs to decide which of the bottom queens you will eliminate if you win the lip sync. Now while you queens deliberate and I'm talking to the workroom, I'm sorry Brigidine, you may be the main character on the play, but in this song, I am the main characters. Ladies, I've made my decision. Arizona Brandy, you are a winner, baby. Congratulations, you're going to benefit from 80,000 pesos. That's big in Aruba, Japan. We're on stage and pride, Arizona Brandy. Our trans doll from France. You are and will always be a Slasian sensation now. Au revoir and sashay away.
Thank you for everything. You made me feel proud Asian, and I want to continue to make the French Asian proud. So thank you very much.
I'm sorry. Oh my God! So let us get to our Q&A. Let's, can I have Arizona here? Very clearly lang. My God. Medyo nilamon ni Arizona yung episode from start to finish.
Yes! She gave us storylines, she gave us performance, and she gave us that runway. My God!
Thank you. Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Enjoy ba kayo?
Yes, sir!
Thank you, everyone. I owe that success to my sisters and to my fellow countrymen.
Congressman, okay?
Ito ko sa susunod na election, Arizona Brandy.
So how does it feel to be able to bounce back from an episode where you almost went home to this episode wherein pasabog ka sa musical, that runway 8, that final lip sync, it was just masterful. Tell us more about that.
Parang ang sarap sa feeling kasi alam mo yung feeling na the feeling when you're already in the bottom but you don't know how you can grasp, like I don't know how can I, that's what I'm feeling. However, nung nag-perform na ako, nakita ko na yung mukha nila Panjay na nag-enjoy sila, I just let loose again. In Tagalog, lumuwag na ako. Ang saya pala magkarupo. Nakikitigay ako. Nasamgip tayo dyan.
Samgip for all?
Go, ilan ba to?
Libre 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 per row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10 times 9,000. Hindi pala. Kulang, 90K pala.
Grabe. And then of course, you were faced with a very hard decision of maybe some revengeful choice or maybe saving your sister. Pero that time, I guess you felt na, oh my God, ito yung big game move of the season so far.
Yeah.
So tell us more about that decision-making process.
I think that decision, feeling ko hindi kasi ako makatulog sa gabi pag pinauwi ko si Bernie. As in talaga, sabihin na natin na sinabi ko, track record, Arizona, go ba? Wala si Arizona, sinabi ano eh. Hindi ako makatulog sa gabi. As in, like hanggang ngayon siguro, ang laki na nga ng eyebags ko, lalaki pa. Ayun, so, ayun yung ng decision ko. Like, hindi ko kaya. Feeling ko I would not forgive myself if I chose Bernie. Yeah. Sorry, Kitty.
I think you've patched things up. You may closure na kayo, diba? Pero more on your relationship with Kitty, like at this very moment.
I love Kitty's face. We always talk. Tapos parang sinasabi ko sa kanya na I'm so anxious about this sis. Tapos sinasabi niya rin sa akin na anxious din siya kasi baka daw magalit yung mga fans ko. Sabi ko, hindi naman. Wala naman akong fans. Hindi. Sinabi ko na hindi naman tayo ganong mga Pinoy, di ba? Hindi tayo ganon. Like, mahal natin lahat.
Sabi ka nga dun sa group chat mo the other night, na any pangbabash sa sister mo is not a compliment to you.
Yeah, hindi siya compliment sa akin. Parang akala niyo ba natutuwa ako ng inanon. Lesson! Char, hindi siya like, ganun, sana ganun din sa akin. Sinabi ko talaga yun kasi ako mabash. Hindi, kasi ang sad, kasi pinagdaanan namin yun together. We've been through that experience. Like, ang hirap ng experience ngayon sa All Stars kasi we get to pick who to eliminate. So, mas matindi yung trauma. So, I hope na love lang everyone.
Alright, malapakan niyo. She is now 80,000 pesos richer. So, the winner of the Rusical of Slation Royal, palakpakan niyo si Arizona.
What was going through your mind?
I think, honestly, the girls who know me for like a couple of years now know that backstage, this is how we talk. Like drag queens, if we don't meet each other, this is our like way of showing love. And so I think because the world watches this, sometimes they don't get that this is us just speaking the way from a place that I want you to be better, or I see something that you can fix. But I had the best time, honestly. I mean, I had really such a great time, and I think this season was even harder because everyone is so talented and so great. Well, not everyone, but like some more than others. I didn't say who, bitch. But like, it was just such, like for me, it was really fun. And I think a lot of especially the fans here in the Philippines, they get it that this is how we are. We're just shady fucking bitches.
Also, we appreciated the way you gave critiques to Bernie. You know, you said that I know that you are a titan in this industry.
She is.
Yes, she is. But the night was not the night. Why do you think is it important to remind the girls who they are apart from the competition?
Well, this is like from personal experience. When you're in the competition, you lose yourself. You compare yourself. You forget who you are because you have so many. But when you go on Drag Race, it's like a pressure cooker. Everything is so intense. You cry because you're happy. You cry because you're sad. It's everything combined. So when you're in that situation, you completely forget who you are outside the competition. And so sometimes it's like you have to remind them, like Bernie, I know her since 2015, like for such a long time. And so like I know what capabilities you have. Same way with Siam, I've seen her at her best. If I don't think you're at your best, I'm gonna say something.
That's what we love about Pangina's judging, right? And then I guess before I let you go, I think arguably Slation Royale is kind of your legacy. You are the first Asian queen to do an international all-star season. And now you have a whole season displaying Asian excellence. Like, when you judge those 2 episodes, how did it feel like to just take a look at everybody just doing their best representing the Asian country that they were representing?
I think it's been a long time coming for us. We have not been seen in the media for so long. We have not seen who we look like represented in the mainstream media growing up. So for me to see not just queer people, but like people who look similar to me, people who do what I love, represented in a show in such a beautiful, different variety of shades, not just like
Filipinas, but like French Filipinas, or like, you know, there's so many different types. For me, it's like a dream come true because this is like the first step of what I want to see happen more and more. Yeah.
We love to see that. Thank you so much. A round of applause for Mangina. She will be back for a performance. Alright, punta naman tayo kay Bernie. I think sa first one, palakpakan natin si Bernie. She lives to slay another day. I think very obvious sa edit na talagang alam mo, oh my God, hindi pwedeng safe lagi. Di ba kailangan maka-breakthrough? Alam namin, nung season 2, like, nang lampaso ka track record-wise. Pero kamusta ka in terms of composing yourself, yung thought process mo in the competition, knowing na, you know, 3 weeks na safe and this time nasa bottom. Kamusta ka nung mga panahon na yun?
Actually, ramdam ko na yun. Itong episode na to. Sa totoo lang, ramdam ko na to. 3 safe, tapos Rusical. Sabi ko, okay naman ako sa Rusical. Okay din naman ako sa Two Faces. Hindi ko nga lang kamukha. Hindi ko nga lang kamukha, pero wala naman akong kanya. Happy naman ako, masaya. Alam niyo kung bakit? Masaya ako ngayon eh.
Bakit yung masaya?
Sobrang saya ko, ewan ko, ang daming ngayon lumalapit sa akin. Sobrang, parang, ito dapat to, iiyak sana ako dito eh. Sabi ko, ay, parang hindi. Kasi sobrang saya ko ngayon. Kasi maraming mga events, mga rackets na ngayon na lumalapit sa akin, products na sunod-sunod siya, na hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya ilalagay actually. Na sabi ko, bakit po gagawing malungkot yung sarili ko today na alam ko mga mabottom ako? Baliktarin ko na lang. Gawin ko na lang masaya itong araw na to. Kahit alam ko bottom ako. Diba? Ito yung napanood ko siya ngayon. Sabi ko, tangin na mo pantan. Hindi, ganyan talaga siya. Kaya lang, sobrang love ko yun si Pantan pag nag-judge siya. Kasi alam niya, nakikita niya sa sarili niya. Pag pinupunan niya ako, even though na hindi pa ako drag race, magkakilala kami nasa Thailand kami. Pag pinupunan niya ako, oo na ako ng oo sa kanya. Kasi alam ko yung sinasabi niya. Tama yung sinasabi niya.
Palakpakan natin si Bernie. Siya po ay magbabalik next week. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. So we will do our hairography challenge. So kung kasama nyo ang friends nyo, bubunod sila ng wig, magpiplay kami ng song, and then pipili ang ating Green Silk Queen na si Evelyn Queen kung sino ang mag-uwi ng 1K.
Alright, tumatagap po kami ng volunteers and ng volunturo. So if you want your friend to join the challenge, ituro nyo na siya.
Anong masasabi mo sa kanila?
Dorisa!
Sobrang hirap nung laban. Yes! Very close, very tight. Oo. Parang dyan sa stage. But of course, I think we have a clear winner, the one that really did hairography. Because that's what hairography is about. So contestant number 3!
So, are we ready for the second set of performances?
Anything to fix.
Drag Race Philippines Station Royale Episode 4. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At hindi mga YouTuber! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Abangan nyo more episodes, more backstage accesses for our viewing parties. See you soon. Bye.